Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to open Schlage lock when battery is dead, backup key and battery jump method. Method 1. The 9-volt battery jump start. Many Schlage touchscreen and keypad models like the Schlage Touch, Connect and Encode have emergency power terminals located on the outside of the lock. First, get a fresh 9-volt battery. Any standard 9-volt battery will work for this temporary boost. Then locate the terminals. Look at the bottom or top of the keypad. You will see two small metal contacts or terminals. Then press the two metal terminals of the 9-volt battery directly against the contact points on the lock. Note, match the larger and smaller connectors on the battery to the matching openings on the lock. Then continue holding the battery securely against the contacts. While holding it, enter your regular user access code on the keypad. Once you hear the lock turn, open the door, and then immediately replace the internal batteries, typically AA so you lock functions normally. Method 2. The backup key override. For Schlage locks equipped with a keyway, such as the BE365 deadbolt, a physical backup key is the most straightforward failsafe. Look at the front face of the lock. As on many models, the keyhole is concealed behind a small sliding cover or faceplate right below the keypad. If there is a cover, slide it down or gently pry it off with a flathead screwdriver or the edge of the physical key. Then insert your backup key and turn it, usually counterclockwise, to manually retract the deadbolt and open the door. And open the interior cover of the lock and replace the dead AA batteries. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.